Alright, so in this video we're going to be replacing the air filter on the Audi S7. So the one we've selected here from FCP Euro is the E2996LB. It is blue, because that's better. Yes. Anyway, pay attention to the notch side. That will come in handy whenever we get into that air system. So we're going to go into the car now and I will show you what to do next. So if you'll notice right here, there is a hook on this side. There is two twists right here. So we're going to go ahead and just undo those. Undo that one. Undo this one. And now we're going to pull this down. So basically you pull down and then you kind of just lower it away. See how it's notched right there? Now you can see right there and the two little studs. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this little guy on the side right here. There is a tab up in there, if you can see it. So you have to pull down like that. The whole thing drops down. So if you see right there, it's slotted into place up there. So we pull back, and wiggle it back, and it comes off. Next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna carefully remove the air filter because it is dirty. Now, remember the orientation. And it's okay if this bends going in and out a little bit. I'm doing this one-handed right now, so let me put this down. See how there's a corner right here? So remember orientation that way. Also remember the direction of the airflow. So in this case, airflow. Well, I guess it's keyed. You can't really go the wrong way, but airflow left, so towards the back. So this part of the car is going out towards the AC vents in the car. This sends it towards the actual inside, so makes sense. Let me get the new filter. New air filter, blue, airflow towards that way. This airflow towards that way. So this one out, which was blue too, by the way. Put this one in that way. So this is where I talk about you gotta kind of finagle it in there a little bit. The fields start to slide in. There you go. I've been changing air filters for the last time and a long time, and it still takes me a second. So now we're going to take this claw right here and put it in this slot. Make sure that's up. Put that in that slot. Put it back up. Make sure it clips on that side. Now put your stuff back in. Put it down like that. And back there. Make sure you have it lined up. Just like that one. Back a little bit. That one. See how it's on the pegs now? So now we tighten. Make sure that's all good. They're plastic because they're made to get in and easy. In and easy. In and out easily. If you're a person that does not have tools and wants to replace your own air filter, I would assume. That's it. Done. Alright, so now that we haven't switched modes somehow, So a lot of people wonder why I replace my air filters more often than they recommend, and with FCP Euro and ECS tuning you can replace these things for cheap after you send them back and do the lifetime replacement guarantees. So as you can tell right now, you look at this and you think, it's not that bad, right? Well, what if I told you there's a light behind it? I mean, that is a light directly on it. You can barely see through it, right? And so this is about, I'd say, 6,000 miles. So, yeah, change them. Here is footage of the manual and what it shows you on this, right? So just like I was talking about.